Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Heap.
And I'm Mr. Uyghur.
And today we're going to talk to you about starting your first program and using Replit. So here we are in Replit, and I want to explain both. There's two sides that we can type on. First, I'm going to start in the shell. The shell is a great place to write one line of code. If I wanted to see what 3 plus 4 was, hit enter. There it is. It tells me the answer is 7. If I wanted to have a string that says hello world, I'll need quotes around it, but I can do it and it just shows me what I put in. It's not you can't do anything complicated or more than one line, or you can, but it's not advised. If you want to do something more than one line, you should go in the main part of your code.
So in the main part of the code, let's say we want to have hello world show up in the shell, and then maybe even do more things than just show hello world. So this is typically the first code that somebody beginning coding would write. So I'm going to do print. This is a function that will print out something in the shell. Now notice that Replit automatically gives us some hints, and that is from this code intelligence right here that we've got enabled. So I know that I have to, after print, I have to have a parenthesis. And then if I want to have hello world show up in the shell, I'm going to go quote hello world, and my quote is already ended because it does that for you. And now I can run this. And so I'm going to click on run. Oh, darn. Let's see here. I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to click on run. And there we've got hello world. Now notice that when Mr. Heap typed in hello world in the shell, you want to try that again?
Just typing hello world. I just hit enter, and it executes the command.
Yep. It also shows up in quotes there still,
yeah.
Whereas when it's in the parentheses, when it's inside the print statement in the main part of the coding window, it does not show up in parentheses.
Also, notice that he needed to say print. If he just put hello world, it would run an error. And if he hits enter, it just goes on to the next line of code. But for him to run this, you have to click the run button for it to appear on the right-hand side. So that's the difference between the shell, the right-hand side, something for just a tiny bit of code, and the main part of our program, which is over here.
All right, well that's it for this video. Give her a shot your own self.
All right, have a good day.